everyone, we're going to solve this equation containing radicals and check for extraneous solutions. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and add 5 to both sides. Rewrite this so you have 7x square root of 3 equals 5. Now let's square both sides of the equation. And don't forget to square the 7, that's 49x squared. Square root of 3 squared is times 3. And then the right-hand side of the equation is 25. 49 times 3 is going to be 147. X squared equals 25. Divide both sides by 147. So now we have x squared equals 25 divided by 147. Now you square root both sides. Don't forget to do both the plus and the minus. So you're going to x equals plus or minus square root of 25 is 5. Now this 147, I can write that as 49 times 3. I can pull the 49 out. Square root of 49 is 7. Square root of 3. So this is your answer. Now we don't want to have a radical in the denominator. If we can help it. So let's go ahead and rationalize the denominator by multiplying square root of both the numerator and the denominator by square root of 3. So that's going to give you 5 square root of 3. Square root of 3 times the square root of 3 is 3 times 7 is 21. And don't forget this is plus and minus. So we have plus and minus. Now we have to go back to the original equation and check to see if it's true. So we could actually also use this. This might make it easier. So I'm going to write those down. So we have x equals plus or minus 5 divided by 7 square root of 3. Or you can use x equals plus or minus 5 square root of 3 divided by 21. It depends on how you want to plug it in. So we're going to do the plus first. So we have 7 times. Now if you use this one, it might be a little easier. So we have 7, and your x is going to be 5 times 7 square root of 3 times square root of 3. You can put that in fraction form if you want. Minus 5. Does that equal 0? So the square root of 3's cancel. So do the 7's. So you get 5 minus 5 equals 0. So that does check. So the plus works. Let's try the negative. Now what I usually do with the negatives, when you have the plus and minus, I go ahead and put the negative in there. Because it works out that way. That these will still cancel. These cancel. So we're going to get negative 5 minus 5 equals negative 10, which does not equal 0. So the only solution I have is the positive 5 square root of 3 divided by 21. And that is your x. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.